In this video, we are going to talk about AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. AIIMS New Delhi is a medical school, hospital, and public medical research university. The institute is ranked 1 in India by the National Institutional Ranking Framework, ranked number 1 in South Asia, and 231 in the world in the category of Life Sciences and Medicine by QSWUR. AIIMS New Delhi was originally established as a super specialty tertiary care center with a primary emphasis on research and specialized training facilities. MBBS is the basic medical course at bachelor's degree level. This is followed by a master's degree level specialization in general surgery, general internal medicine, pediatrics, and other fields. Superspecialties are those healthcare fields whose practitioners need specialized certification after completing their post-graduation. For example, being cardiothoracic and vascular surgery, rheumatology, neurology, and pediatric neurology. There are at least 45 superspecialties at AIIMS, New Delhi, at a higher master's degree level. AIIMS also offers MSc and PhD level research courses. There are about 42 specialty postgraduate courses conducted at AIIMS, New Delhi. The entry is through a nationwide competitive examination, AIIMS PG, held every 6 months. Each year nearly 50,000 medical graduates and 25,000 dental graduates across the country compete for a limited number of positions. Approximately less than 1% of the candidates are admitted through the process. Changes in entrance examination pattern under the provisions of NMC Bill 2019. As per the latest official notification released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, AIIMS, JIPMER Puducherry, PGI Chandigarh and all INS institutes of national importance were directed to not to conduct any undergraduate entrance exams from 2020 onwards. The government has said that from the 2020 session onwards, all such undergraduate admissions would be taken up only through a single national level examination NEET-UG conducted by National Testing Agency. Many field experts however criticized this exam unification, specifically with respect to AIIMS New Delhi, citing the reason that the level of questions in AIIMS UG entrance exams, for both MBBS and BSc nursing courses separately, used to be of such a higher and deep logical conceptual thinking capability, that they eventually served a greater advantage for selecting the most desirable students for such scientific courses. And that was something really crucial for the main objectives for which AIIMS New Delhi was established, which are cutting-edge research, medical innovations and to demonstrate high standards of medical education to all medical colleges and allied institutions in India. Students' Corner. Class size at the undergraduate level is small with an intake of only 107 students per year for the MBBS course. Seats are categorized as follows, as per the official prospectus of 2020 session. General 51. Other backward class 27. Scheduled caste 15. Scheduled tribes 7. International 7. An additional 5% horizontal sub-reservation within each category for PWBD, persons with benchmark disabilities, belonging to the respective categories is also implemented. The entrance exam is of a totally online computer-based test pattern. Selection is purely on a merit basis according to All India rank in NEET-UG. I hope this video gave you a good overview of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences College, AIIMS, in India. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching it.